Hi everyone, Coach Jason here, back with another video, and this is now going to be a follow-up to the second part of our 3-question sequence. So question number 2, would this food make me better? And what we are really looking for here is our preparation of these foods, because we can take a perfectly good food that is found in its natural state and mess up the preparation and thereby mess up the food. Example, we can take broccoli, perfect organic broccoli. We could batter it, put it in white flour, batter it, deep fry it, and then eat it as a snack. And of course, that preparation method will mess up the broccoli. Nothing was wrong with the broccoli, it was just the preparation method. So what are some preparation methods that I normally approve? I would go as far as saying most preparation methods except frying, deep frying, and of course the way we stew here in the Caribbean, which is with a lot of oil and brown sugar. Those are the 2 methods I would tend to stay away from. I would even say barbecue just because of the charring and the smoking, and that could be a carcinogen. Approved methods: baking, broiling, boiling, air frying, just to name a few. Hope this helps you as you take perfectly good food and transform it so that it can be beneficial for you.